In that video, we're going to see the GUI plus the controls. GUI and controls. Controls can be combo box, can be labels, can be progress bars, can be buttons, tabs, input text zones, etc. So I propose to do an assignment in order to see all those components and all those controls within a GUI. The assignment has the following specifications. We have to develop a GUI with two tabs, one tab for controls containing button, progress bar, input text zone, and labels, another tab to display the results. The main tab contains a button to launch and upload of a file. The second tab will display the file content in second tab. Progress bar will show the progression, and labels of some controls has to be implemented. Also, we have to implement a text for the end of upload, a kind of customized text to display once upload is ended. Okay, so now let's implement the assignment. For that, we click right to create an AutoIT script. We can call it GUI sample here. We can open it and then we can create the GUI. So for that, we always start with GUI and we have a proposal of and a list of functions. We will take the second one, GUI create. Then we have to hit the F1 button. The F1 button will give us a kind of examples, so we can take that one. So we can copy to clipboard to have it, and then we can copy paste. So paste here, and we can just execute F5, and then we have a kind of GUI with OK button in the bottom. So here it's a function. We call a function using that mechanism, and we declare a function using the keywords func and end func. So now we have create GUI. We can put our name here. That means the name we want, my GUI. We can specify also the width, the height of that GUI. So we can probably use 700 here, and we can use 600 for the height. So this will give, if we do F5, a GUI like this. Okay. For the button OK, probably we will call it upload, and here we can call it upload as described and specified in the assignment. So the upload here is equal to create button upload. Now we have to create two tabs. For that, we always type GUI, and we have a kind of proposal of many functions, and what we want is tabs, so we will look this one. Okay, for that one we just hit the F1 button, and then we can copy paste the sample we have here. So we have this one, we can take two ones. Okay, good. So we can then create the tabs like this, 1010, and we can use here 680, and we can use here 550. Good. Here it can be the main tab, and here we can name it as the display tab. We can remove the content that we do not need, and same here, we can remove the content, but we need to close that one to close the tabs using that mechanism. That means we will use a tab item to empty to close the tabs. So we want in the main menu a kind of text zone where we will have the customized message to be displayed once the upload is finished. So for that, we will always use GUI control, and we will try to use create input. And for the text, we will use enter the customized text. And we can use for the left, probably we will need to do 20 here, and to go to the middle, that means 3 like this, and oh no, sorry, maybe here 20 also, and we can use a height of a width of 150 and a height of 30. Okay, and we have to use a kind of variable here, local local my input is equal to this one. We can add also a kind of label, GUI control label, GUI control label, and we can use customized text here. So for the left, we can use the measurements we have here and do a kind of small adjustments. Okay, so 20, not too, okay. Yes, maybe here we need to, okay, and the 280 here, and we can use 100, and for the height we can use 30. We can use 30, yes. Okay, so we have our two tabs. For the OK button or for the upload button, I need to put it after and here. I need also to manage the case of upload. That means I have to go to the switch GUI get message and to catch when the event upload is detected. We have to manage this. So get GUI, so we have to use OK upload, and we can then remove that one. Case of upload, we can imagine a kind of function called upload my file, okay, and upload my file that we have to specify above, and we can come here and use func upload my file here. We can then declare and specify that function and func to close. So that function take as argument the path to a file. So we can use file open. File open is all the functions related to files start with file. So we will use file open here. We can use okay, the file name is $path, and we can use the mod as read mod here. We can use also local and handle. Okay, so, and also we can use local return, and we can make it to empty, and then we put in return the content of that file. That means we will use file read, and we will use the handle $handle, and we can use okay, so there is we can use that one, and then we will return $return. Okay, good. So upload my file, and then here we can, for example, take the file here, my VB script .vbs that contain that message. yeah, message box. This is a VB script message box, so we can display that message in the second tab. Okay, so we can put the name of the file here, the path. Okay, um, once we have this, maybe we need the content here. Okay, and that content has to be displayed in the display. So we need to create first the local dollar display. Okay, GUI control GUI create, and we have to use edit. So for edit, we use dollar text, and left will be to 30, right, the top will be to 30, and the width can be to 600, and the height can be to 500. Okay, good. So we have the local display. Now we need to put in the display the content, the dollar content. So for that, we are going to use GUI control, and there is set data function, that one, and we have to use the control ID, that means the display, and the data itself, that means the content, and yeah, so using that we have to, yeah. And now we want also to display the message saying that the upload is finished. So we need to use message box, and 0 title, end, the end, upload indeed. And here we can put the text, and as the text we will use what we have in my input. And for my input, we will not going to use it directly because it's a control ID, so we will use control read. Okay, then we can use my input like this. Okay, good. So we almost finished our script. We have to try it. We have an error, so probably it's a small error. Okay, here we go. Enter my customized text. We have the display zone, which is empty. We have the upload button here. Probably we have to put it in the bottom, so we will close for the moment. We will go to the upload here, and we will use 575. Okay, but we have it twice. Yeah, because of this one. So we have to remove that one. Good. So we have the upload button here, we have the display, we have the main. We can put hello, the end. Okay. We just hit the upload button, and we have the customized message appearing, and we will check the display, and we have the message box. This is a VBScript message box. Thank you for your attention.